Now that I have my pocket hem done on the top, I'm going to attach my pocket to the front panel. So here's my pocket panel, and then if you look here, I have my front panel. I'm going to be looking at the right side, and normally we put right sides together. Right now, I'm going to put right side, and then I'm going to be looking at the right side, so I'm putting a right side to a wrong side, okay? Because this is the pocket that's going to be on the outside. I'm going to line up the two sides, left and right, and the bottom. The tops will not line up, and that's on purpose, so we have a place to get our hand into that pocket. Now that I have them lined up pretty good, I'm just going to put a pin in place on either side to hold those together. And then I'm going to find the middle. To find the middle, I'll take my two pieces. I'm going to fold them so that they line up together on the edge. And I'll pinch till I find the middle. Here I can either use a pin or a marking pencil. I'm just going to pin that very middle part right there. And I'll do the same on the top just so I know where the middle is on the top. Okay, now that I have that, I'm going to use my clear ruler and I'll line it up here so that it lines up with either the top or bottom, and you can see kind of the grid line there. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see it better. But you can see that grid line. I'll zoom out just a hair more. Let me try and find a good middle ground there. So you can see that grid line lines up with my top or bottom. And once I have it nice and square with my project, I'm going to go ahead and use a marking pencil. Make sure it's a marking pencil because these come out, and if you are trying to use something else, it might not come out, okay? And we don't, this is the front of our project. We don't want to ruin it. But along here, I'm going to just kind of, obviously one of these pins was maybe a little bit off, but I'll just pick one to work with, and I'm going to draw that line down the center of my pocket, okay? So I have a line drawn down the center of my pocket. I'm going to go in and I'm going to pin along that line as well so that I can sew that down. And this will break my pocket into two pieces. So then I will have two pockets when I'm done.